Hi, I'm Emilio Reels. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to repurpose an old Android tablet into a home security camera. It's completely free, uses officially apps and take just a few minutes. So step 1, prepare your tablet. First, make sure your tablet is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi if needed. Reset it to remove old apps or accounts. So pro tip, keep it plugged in a while using it so it won't run out of battery. Step 2, install a security camera. Go to the Play Store and search for a free app like Alfred Home Security Camera. Install it on your tablet. This will become your camera. Also install in your main phone so you can view the live feed. Step 3, open the app on the tablet and select camera mode. On your phone, open the app and select viewer mode. Log in with the same account on the both devices. That's it. Your table is now a working security camera. Okay, step 4, placement and tips. Place the tablet where you want to monitor, like a front door or living room. Make sure it's stable and has good Wi-Fi signal. You can also enable motion alerts, so your phone notifies you if there's movement. Okay, and that's it. You just gave a new life to your old tablet and created a home security camera, all for free and using official tools. If this helped you, follow for more tech tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.